Hey guys, Abstract here, and for today's tech review, I'll be reviewing the Spigen clear case and talking about if it's worth it and kind of doing a full review on it and its kind of quirks and a few kind of cool things about it. And I'll be comparing it to the spec clear case. So without further ado, let me run the tape. Alright, so we are here. I have the box inside this bag. I literally just ordered it off of Amazon for about 15 bucks. It costs about like 10 bucks really. 11 bucks, but you know, gotta pay $5 for shipping. All right, so we're just open this up right now. I believe it's right here. Yep, nice packaging. And here we go. Spigen smartphone case, or something you want. You know, the ultra hybrid. All right, nice little form fitted for device. Ultimate everyday protection, stable mounting for our wireless charging. What we got on the back, not too much. Green campaign, recycling. All right, cool, fun. So we're just gonna go over here and pull the tab. I believe so. Sorry, from this camera angle, I actually can't really see for myself. Although I believe it's just kind of pull. I know this might seem a little pathetic. All right, there we go. Well, that's in there, definitely. All right, so let me grab this. And here we are. There's the iPhone case for the packaging. What do we got? Let's see here. Smaller, stronger, faster stock charger. 18 watt, which is what I have, I assume. 18 watt or 20 watt. ArcStation Pro. They actually sell some pretty good wireless chargers, so shout out to Spigen. All right, let's go. We got a little bit of peeling here. Removable protective film. So let's peel this off. This should be satisfying. What's really in there? This should be really satisfying. Oh, wow, that really sticks. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh. Or maybe not. That is... Yeah, that is really on there. Wow. Okay. All right. Dope. Plastic. Get that out of here. Got more on the back, where the camera angle, or where the camera, you know, slot is. This one should be better. You ready? Yeah, that is really on there. Boop. All right. Cool. Plastic. Get that out of here. All right. So here we have is our Spigen case. We have nice kind of feel to it. Like it's not bendy, but you know, it's hard. And let me go grab the iPhone 11, the official iPhone 11 case. So now that I look at it, this might actually not be the official iPhone case, or iPhone 11, or the official Apple case, because here you see a spec logo. This is a spec case for iPhone 11. So either way, we'll still compare it. As you can see, it's been used. I'm not too sure if it's an actual problem. Now, it's not like, oh, why is it brown? Is that a problem? Not really. It's just a year old, and it's been used. And you can see it's been used by the button areas. You see the buttons obviously have some use. And all four corners, because, you know, dropping on different corners probably wears it down. So, doesn't look too pretty now, but it's what you gotta do. What you gotta do with, right? So here we have our clear case. Ultra nice. This is actually a glass back here. I believe so. It's like a glass panel. See little cutouts for it. I believe so. It's a glass glass cutout. And then Spigen, one of the two cutouts. You got your cutouts on top or on the bottom. You got your port. And then you have your speakers. You got buttons. All right. You got cutouts. You know, buttons, cutouts. So here, I have a standard iPhone 11 in white. Pretty nice with matte kind of feel on the sides, and you have your metallic shiny on the back. Or not metallic, I shouldn't say that, but you know, the glass on the back and the matte, and then you have your screen. All right, cool. So let's put this right on the case, and let's see how this works out. All right, fits on there pretty well. Looks pretty nice. It's not like the other case. Like here, let me grab this. Oh, that's got a lot of weight to it. Hold up. Oh, I see that. It's got a little bit of abrasivity for the case itself on each edge. That's pretty smart. there's lots of resivity on around the camera, so you can easily just go bang, and it'll be completely fine. I should have said that. I should have said that for the front, but yeah, for the back, there's lots of depth to it, as you can see there. Yeah, you're easily protected, and what I showed you, it rises up. So I don't think the sides actually touch it. It most likely does, but it's kind of nice how it's a little kind of, it's raised up, you know. Unlike this, it's flat pretty much all around. You see there. So it's pretty nice, very clear. Now, of course, this one was also clear when it came out, but I feel like this one is a lot more clear. As you can see, your color pretty nicely. For the people who do like clear cases, this is pretty nice. All right, so your buttons. Let's test these out. Feel pretty nice, and you can see you have your mute switch, silence, and bam, nice and clicky. Now let's take it off and let's put it on the outer box, or not outer box, but the spec. Let's take this off. And actually, there's a lot of, oh wow. Put this on camera. It gets really snug on there. Like when you try to take it off, it is not going anywhere, which is good. You really gotta put pressure onto it. I know you can't really tell, but you really gotta put pressure onto this, which I actually need 2 hands to take this off, which is a good sign though. Come on, bend it. There we go. That's a good sign though, because that means it's gonna be sticking on there. So you can't just, well, like when you go to flap it around, it won't come off. So let's slap it back on here, on the spec. Bam, bam, bong. All right. You still get resivity too. Well, this one doesn't look as nice. Sorry, the camera angle. But this one doesn't look as nice. I would say this is a lot more clear, a lot more, you know, white, as I guess you would say. This one's a lot more, you know, brown, not as clear, let's say. But of course, at the same time, it's been used, so I guess you can't really compare. Either way, I'd say I would go for this. I don't remember how much this cost when I first bought it, but I'll probably pull it up on the screen. But I'd say this was about 11 bucks on Amazon, which is pretty cheap for what you get. And while here, I don't really remember, but of course it might have been probably like 20 bucks or something like that. I don't really know. Other than that, it's a really good case. Now let's test the resivity on this one. Works just as good, but like I said, there is no raised sides. So I mean, it shouldn't really bother you that much, but I guess that's kind of it absorbing the impact right there. And like this, the sides get, you know, brown after a while, so that's unfortunate. Oh, and here's another test. Does it work with wireless charging? Let's find out. Here I have MagSafe. Let's put it on the back. I line up, and boom, it does. Does it stick? Not really well. Doesn't stick, obviously, because it's on an iPhone 12 and plus the case, but it still charges. So if you're wondering that, yes, it does. So in conclusion, this is a very good case. It is only about $11, $12, somewhere around there, between 10 and 12 bucks on Amazon as of right now. It's a very good case. It has resivity, so when you go like this, it'll be perfectly fine. It has raised up sides, as you can see here. So it's in flat on the floor. It'll be completely fine as well. The buttons are very clicky, so you'll be fine. And like I said before, very clear, very nice. Doesn't make the phone feel thick or anything. Doesn't make it feel like it's any bigger than it already is. So I recommend you buying it. And yeah, that's the review. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.